Hello, I'm Dr. Chanchal Hans from Healing Hands Clinic, and today we'll be talking about world's first touch-free treatment for piles and fissures, an innovative formulation, Pylospray. Healing Hands Clinic is a chain of super specialty proctology clinic providing advanced treatment for anorectal conditions. Piles and fissures are most common conditions. About 5% of the population suffers from them at given period of time. We at Healing Hands Clinic have treated thousands of patients, and hence we understand the discomfort and pain our patients go through. Pylospray is an innovative solution developed by Healing Hands and Herbs in collaboration with Healing Hands Clinic. It is an outcome of 5 years of thorough clinical research, keeping in mind our patients' concerns. Pylospray is an Ayurvedic formulation. It consists of natural ingredients like til oil, daru haridra, mokris and kokam. These ingredients or herbs have properties as analgesic, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory and anti-hemorrhagic. Pylospray provides quick relief in symptoms like pain, pricking, burning and itching. It is also effective in treatment of inflammation and bleeding associated with piles and fissure. Our patients generally have two major concerns. Is it effective? Secondly, is it comfortable and easy to use? The answer to both these questions is yes, Pylospray is effective and easy to use. We recommend Pylospray to patients with previously mentioned symptoms like pain, pricking, itching, burning, inflammation and bleeding in the anal area due to piles and fissure. As Pylospray is touch-free, there is no pain, discomfort, infection or injury during the application. It is known that early medical treatment prevents advancement of the disease. Hence, the earlier you use Pylospray, better is the prognosis. Pylospray should be sprayed on the affected area. As we can see, it consists of a green cap which can be removed. Secondly, remove the safety cap and then spray. Pylospray should be used only on the affected area. Considering this is the affected area, take the spray bottle, place it 5 to 8 centimeters away from the affected area and spray continuously for 2 to 4 seconds. Let's see how this is done. Pylospray can be used 2 to 3 times in a day depending on the symptoms. It has to be used before and after the motion and at night. It can be used in squatting, standing and lying down positions. For patients who require additional treatment, we recommend PyloKit. It is a combination treatment for piles and fissure. It consists of Pylospray, tablets, Pylotab and Constitab. Pylospray and PyloKit are available on online pharmacy portals 1mg.com and netmed.com. You can also contact on the given helpline number for home deliveries. Thank you.